Hi, I'm Laura with the Canadian Museum of Nature. What buzzes around, loves pollen, and is a fantastic friend to the planet's ecosystems? Today we're talking about bees. Did you know that there are around 800 species of bees in Canada alone? We're going to learn some impressive facts and dispel some myths about these often misunderstood yet vital insects.
Bees are remarkably diverse animals, represented by over 20,000 species worldwide. That means that there are more different kinds of bees than there are birds and mammals combined. So how can we tell bees apart from other insects? While there's a number of features that can be used to differentiate bees from other organisms, two features are fairly easy to look for. Unlike related wasps, bees have small branched feather-like hairs on various parts of the body, which help to pick up pollen. Also, in bees, a part of the hind leg is distinctly broader than it is in wasps. Bees come in a variety of sizes. The largest species has a wingspan about the length of my pinky, whereas the smallest bee can sit comfortably on the head of a pin. What are some common misconceptions about bees? Well, 5 immediately come to mind. Misconception number 1, all bees make honey. Actually, most bees do not make honey, and honey isn't produced exclusively by bees. Some wasps are also known to make honey. In addition to honeybees, bumblebees and tropical stingless bees make their own versions of honey. Misconception number 2, all bees sting and die after using their stings. Actually, only female bees are capable of stinging. This is because in bees, ants, and related wasps, the sting has evolved from an egg-laying apparatus called the ovipositor, which was never present in males. Honeybees have barbed stings, which get stuck in thick skin and tear loose from the abdomen when a honeybee attempts to free itself after stinging. However, many bee species have smooth stings and are able to sting repeatedly. Misconception number 3, all bees nest in hives. In fact, most bees do not construct nests comprised of hexagonal cells made of beeswax. Most bee species nest in holes in the ground, in stems, or in wood. Some bees even nest in empty snail shells. Misconception number 4, all bees are highly social organisms. Whereas honeybees are in fact highly social, more than 85% of all bee species are solitary. A solitary bee nest is built by a female who collects stores of food pollen for her offspring. Misconception number 5, all bees work hard. Although most bees laboriously collect pollen to feed their offspring, upwards of 15% are what we call cuckoos. These are bees that sneak into and lay eggs inside the nests of other bee species. Their larvae then feed on the pollen that the host bees collected. So bees consume pollen as food, and it's when they go from flower to flower in search of pollen and nectar that the plants they visit get fertilized. Because of their close association with flowers, we rely on bees to pollinate many of our food crops. So let's take Bee Day as an opportunity to appreciate the diversity of bees and remember their importance to us and the environment.